Hello and welcome to Afro Entertainment. If you are watching my video for the first time, you are very much welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and share my videos. If you are a returning subscriber, I very much appreciate. Hit on the notification bell to get the latest videos. Thank you. The ANC is dying. There is no question about this. The ANC that people put in power in 1994 is no more. The trust and love people had for this party has diminished. People have been lied to and made fake promises for a long time. The time to change and do better by the ANC is no more. People are aware of the culture of the party to seem to care only when it is time of the elections. Everything has led to the faction that exists within the African National Congress. The party is divided and the missions to sabotage the president and some leaders continue. The unstructured ANC has reminded people about how well structured and appreciated the ANC was when Jacob Zuma was still the president. It can be said that this is the worst ANC administration ever after 1994. Former President Jacob Zuma, who is on medical leave, has been meeting with a small group of his loyalties behind closed doors at the Sibaya Casino and Entertainment Kingdom in Dubai. It was unclear what was discussed in a private hotel boardroom on Friday between Zuma and a group of more than persons in a 5-hour discussion. Zuma's vociferous supporters, including former Military Veteran Association President Karl Nehuls, who traveled by Uber, and former South African Airways Chairman Dudu Yeni, were among those in attendance. Zuma's daughter, Duduzile Zuma, was also present. She has been accused of instigating violence during the looting and riots in July. The former president was scheduled to speak at a mass prayer service for him at the Moses Mabhida Stadium on Thursday, but instead delivered his remarks via video, urging his supporters to vote for the African National Congress in the next election. Former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumade, former Northwest Premier Supra Mahuma Bello, former Finance Minister Des Van Rooyen, ANC Secretary General Ase Magashule, and Karl Nehuls were all present. Jacob Zuma, 79 years old, had been unwell since his arrest in July. According to reports, Zuma was declared in contempt of court and ordered to testify before the Commission of Inquiry into State Capture, where he was due to respond to the allegations leveled against him. On July 7, at the 11th hour of his deadline, he surrendered to police and began serving his 15-month term in the Eastern Correctional Service. Zuma was released on medical parole after serving less than 2 months of his sentence, the most of which he spent in the hospital. The meeting of Jacob Zuma raised eyebrows in South Africa. One of his allies on Twitter, by name Zamaswazi Majozi, has revealed that there is a heated up discussion on whether Jacob Zuma should steer the nation again to fix the mess that the ANC is in. Thanks very much for listening, and please do well to leave your comments in the comment section.